So we are at a transition zone between these extensive areas of limestone forming this gorge that we've been hiking around, and then the anti-Atlas mountains made of quartzite, like you can see in this peak there at the start of the mountains. And the quartzite is what we've been climbing for the last few days here in the anti-Atlas. And I've been trying to piece together the geology from little bits of studying and ChatGPT. And from what I understand, both this layer of limestone and the quartzite were formed around the Cambrian period. So that's about 500 million years ago, the start of when large-bodied life really diversified throughout the planet. And at that point in the Cambrian, Morocco was sitting around the tropics, and it was at the northern edge of the Gondwanan supercontinent. The quartzite is made where fast-moving currents separate out the grain sizes, and it's super concentrated an area of sediment with just quartz-rich, large-grained sand. Then here, of course, the limestone is made during periods with a shallow sea where all the little photosynthetic microorganisms in the water column die and fall out and accumulate these calcium carbonate-rich sediments. Later, when the Gondwanan supercontinent runs into the Laurasian supercontinent to form Pangaea, that causes a major mountain building period called an orogeny that built this massive set of mountains that remain today in the form of the Appalachians in the US, the anti-Atlas and Atlas mountains here in Morocco, some mountains in Europe, and some pieces of Scotland even. So all of these were part of the same one big mountain chain. Now, why all of this limestone that we're walking along now escaped that metamorphism that built the quartzite mountains, I don't know. Haven't figured that out yet. Maybe this limestone actually got laid down in the breakup of Pangaea when Africa and South America started splitting apart. I'm not sure. If you can fact check me, let me know in the comments.